Advanced e-commerce SEO strategies, Google Merchant Center, mastery, and beyond. Welcome to the final episode of the SEO Playbook, e-commerce edition. I'm Antonio, and over the past 6 episodes, we've taken you on a journey from Google Ads frustration to e-commerce SEO success. Today, we're going to wrap up this series by diving deep into the most advanced e-commerce SEO strategies and showing you how to create a sustainable long-term system that keeps working and growing even when you're not actively managing it every day. If you've been following along, you now understand the fundamentals of e-commerce SEO success. But today, we're going to separate the amateurs from the professionals. We're going to talk about Google Merchant Center mastery, advanced product optimization, and sophisticated strategies that most online stores never discover. This is where the real magic happens for e-commerce. Beyond basic product optimization, the advanced context revolution. For years, e-commerce store owners have been obsessed with basic product optimization, adding keywords to titles, writing decent descriptions, and hoping for the best. And yes, those fundamentals are important. But here's what most stores and even many e-commerce agencies don't understand. Context and intent matter more than keyword density. Let me give you an example that'll make this crystal clear. Imagine you're selling organic skincare products, and you have a choice between two optimization approaches. Approach A. Optimize your organic face moisturizer for the keyword organic face moisturizer with perfect keyword density and technical optimization. Approach B. Optimize your organic face moisturizer for the customer intent behind searches like dry skin relief, anti-aging skincare routine, and sensitive skin moisturizer. Most people would choose Approach A because it seems more SEO focused. But Approach B is actually much more powerful for e-commerce success. Why? Because Google doesn't just look at your product titles and descriptions. It looks at the customer intent behind searches and how well your products match what people are actually trying to accomplish. The 4 types of e-commerce SEO that move the needle. Let me break down the 4 types of e-commerce SEO optimization that have the biggest impact on your sales in order of importance. Type 1. Intent-based product optimization. This is optimizing your products for what customers are actually trying to accomplish, not just what they're searching for. For a skincare store, this might mean optimizing anti-aging products for look younger intent, optimizing acne products for clear skin intent, optimizing sensitive skin products for gentle skincare intent. The key is understanding that people don't just buy products, they buy solutions to problems. Type 2. Customer journey optimization. This is creating content and product pages that match where customers are in their buying journey. Awareness stage. What causes dry skin? Consideration stage. Best moisturizers for dry skin. Decision stage. Organic face moisturizer reviews. Purchase stage. Buy organic face moisturizer. Type 3. Seasonal and trend optimization. This is optimizing for seasonal needs and trending topics in your industry. Winter skincare routines, summer sun protection, holiday gift sets, back-to-school products. Type 4. Competitive differentiation optimization. This is optimizing for what makes your products different from your competitors. Unique ingredients or formulations, specific certifications or standards, exclusive features or benefits, brand story and values. The Google Merchant Center Mastery Strategy. Now, let's dive deep into Google Merchant Center optimization, the secret weapon that most e-commerce stores completely underutilize. Google Merchant Center isn't just a place to upload your products. It's a powerful platform that can dramatically improve your visibility in Google Shopping results, regular search results, and even YouTube and Gmail. But here's what most stores get wrong. They treat Merchant Center like a set-it-and-forget-it system. They upload their products once, maybe update prices occasionally, and wonder why their products aren't showing up in shopping results. The Advanced Merchant Center Optimization Framework. Product title. Optimization. Your product titles in Merchant Center should be different from your website product titles. They should be optimized specifically for how people search for products on Google Shopping. Instead of Organic Lavender Face Moisturizer. To us use Organic Face Moisturizer for dry, sensitive skin. Lavender, essential oil. Anti-aging. Tuos. Product description. Enhancement. Your merchant center. Descriptions should include keywords that people use when shopping, not just when browsing. Include primary use cases and benefits. Key ingredients or features. Who the product is for. What problems it solves. Custom labels and product types. Use custom labels to organize your products for better campaign management. Bosin. Custom label. 0. Profit margin. High, medium, low. Custom label 1. Seasonality. Year-round, summer, winter, holiday. Custom label 2. Customer type. New, returning, premium. Custom label 3. Product life cycle. New, bestseller, clearance. Product category. Optimization. Don't just use Google's suggested categories. Research what categories your competitors are using and choose the most specific, relevant categories for your products. The advanced schema. Markup strategy. Schema markup for e-commerce goes way beyond basic product schema. Advanced schema implementation can dramatically improve your search visibility and click-through rates. Advanced schema types for e-commerce. Product schema with enhanced properties. Detailed product specifications. Availability and shipping information. Review aggregation data. Price history and offers. Brand and manufacturer information. Organization. Schema. Complete business information. Social media profiles. Contact information. Logo and brand assets. FAQ. Schema. Common product questions. Shipping and return policies. Size and fit information. Care instructions. Review schema. Individual product reviews. Aggregate rating information. Review author details. Review dates and verification. Breadcrumb. Schema. Category hierarchy. Product navigation paths. Site structure information. This advanced schema implementation helps Google understand your products better and can result in rich snippets, enhanced shopping results, and improved click-through rates. The geographic targeting strategy for global e-commerce. Even though you're selling online, geographic targeting can significantly improve your conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Advanced geographic targeting strategies. Climate-based product recommendations. Best skincare for humid Florida weather. Dry skin solutions for Colorado's high altitude. Sun protection for Arizona residents. Shipping-based landing pages. Free 2-day shipping to New York City. Same-day delivery available in Los Angeles. International shipping to Canada, duties included. Cultural and demographic targeting. Skincare for Asian skin types. Products for sensitive European skin. Natural beauty solutions for African American women. Local event and seasonal targeting. Perfect products for Miami Beach season. Winter skin protection for Chicago residents. Festival-ready beauty for Austin music lovers. The advanced content marketing strategy. Content marketing for e-commerce isn't just about driving traffic. It's about creating a comprehensive resource that establishes your store as the authority in your niche. The Authority Content Framework. Comprehensive buying guides. Create detailed guides that help customers make informed purchasing decisions. The complete guide to choosing skincare for your skin type. How to build a capsule. Wardrobe, a step-by-step guide. The ultimate home office setup guide for remote workers. Problem Solution Content Series. Address specific problems your customers face and show how your products solve them. Why your skin breaks out in winter and how to prevent it. The real reason your clothes don't fit right. How to create a productive home office in a small space. Behind-the-scenes content. Show the story behind your products, your quality standards, and your brand values. How we source our organic ingredients. The 47-step quality control process for our products. Meet the artisans who make our handcrafted items. User-generated content campaigns. Encourage customers to create content featuring your products, before and after transformations. Styling and usage tutorials. Customer success stories and testimonials. Industry trend. Analysis. Position yourself as a thought leader by commenting on industry trends. 2024 skincare trends. What's actually worth trying? The future of sustainable fashion. What brands need to know? How remote work is changing home office design. The advanced internal linking architecture. Internal linking for e-commerce goes far beyond just linking related products. Strategic internal linking can dramatically improve your search rankings and customer experience. The advanced internal linking strategy. Hub and spoke architecture. Create comprehensive category pages that serve as hubs, linking to specific product pages, spokes, skincare hub, individual product pages, men's fashion hub, specific clothing items, home office hub, individual furniture and accessories, product relationship mapping, link products based on customer behavior and purchase patterns, frequently bought together, complementary products, upgrade and downgrade options, seasonal alternatives, content to commerce, linking, strategically link from blog content to relevant products, buying guides, featured products, problem solution articles, solution products, trend articles, trending products, how-to guides, required products, cross-category, linking, link between different product categories when it makes sense, skincare, makeup for complete routines, clothing, accessories for complete outfits, furniture, decor for complete room designs. The advanced customer review strategy. Customer reviews are crucial for e-commerce SEO, but most stores don't maximize their potential for search optimization. The review optimization framework. Review content. Optimization. Encourage customers to leave detailed reviews that include relevant keywords, how they use the product, what problems it solved, who they'd recommend it to, specific results they achieved. Review. Schema. Implementation. Use advanced review schema to help search engines understand your review data. Individual review markup. Aggregate rating information. Review author details. Review verification status. Review response strategy. Respond to reviews in a way that adds SEO value. Thank customers and mention product benefits. Address concerns with helpful information. Include relevant keywords naturally. Provide additional product details. Multi-platform review. Strategy. Encourage reviews across multiple platforms, your website, Google reviews, Facebook reviews. Industry-specific review sites. Third-party platforms like Trustpilot. The advanced competitive intelligence strategy. Understanding what your competitors are doing can reveal opportunities for your own e-commerce SEO strategy. The competitive analysis framework. Product keyword. Analysis. Analyze what keywords your competitors are targeting. Product title optimization. Description keyword usage. Category page targeting. Blog content topics. Content gap. Analysis. Identify content opportunities your competitors are missing. Unaddressed customer questions. Underserved product categories. Missing buying guides. Unexplored seasonal content. Backlink opportunity mapping. Find link building opportunities from competitor analysis. Industry publications that feature competitors. Influencers who promote similar products. Resource pages that list competitor products. Partnership opportunities with complementary brands. Google Shopping analysis. Study how competitors optimize their Google Shopping presence. Product title strategies. Image quality and style. Pricing strategies. Promotional offers. The Advanced Technical SEO Foundation. Advanced e-commerce SEO requires a solid technical foundation that goes beyond basic website optimization. Advanced technical elements. Core Web Vitals. Optimization. Optimize for Google's core web vitals. Metrics. Largest contentful paint, LCP. Page loading speed. First input delay, FID. Interactivity. Cumulative layout shift, CLS. Visual stability. Advanced site architecture. Create a logical, scalable site structure. Clear category hierarchies. Logical URL structures. Efficient navigation systems. Mobile-first design principles. International SEO implementation. If you sell internationally, implement proper international SEO. Preflang tags for different languages or regions. Currency and pricing localization. Shipping and tax information by region. Local payment method support. Advanced analytics. Setup. Implement comprehensive tracking and analytics. Enhanced e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics. Google Search Console optimization. Heat mapping and user behavior analysis. Conversion funnel analysis. The seasonal and trend optimization strategy. E-commerce businesses have unique opportunities to capitalize on seasonal trends and shopping patterns. The seasonal SEO framework. Holiday and event optimization. Optimize for major shopping events. Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Valentine's Day. Gift guides. Mother's Day and Father's Day. Back-to-school shopping. Holiday gift guides. Seasonal product optimization. Adjust your optimization strategy based on seasonal demand. Summer skincare routines. Winter fashion collections. Spring cleaning products. Fall home decor. Trend monitoring and optimization. Stay ahead of trends in your industry. Social media trend analysis. Google Trends monitoring. Industry publication tracking. Influencer trend spotting. The long-term sustainability strategy. Creating a sustainable e-commerce SEO system requires thinking beyond short-term tactics. The sustainability framework. Content calendar planning. Plan your content strategy months in advance. Seasonal content preparation. Product launch coordination. Industry event alignment. Trend anticipation. Team and resource planning. Build a team that can sustain your SEO efforts. Content creation resources. Technical optimization capabilities. Link building and outreach capacity. Analytics and reporting systems. Technology and tool. Investment. Invest in tools and technology that scale with your growth. Professional SEO software. Content management systems. Analytics and reporting tools. Automation and workflow systems. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay current with SEO best practices and algorithm changes. Industry conference attendance. Professional development and training. Competitor monitoring and analysis. Algorithm update tracking and response. Your advanced SEO implementation plan. Here's your 90-day plan for implementing advanced e-commerce SEO strategies. Days 1 to 30. Foundation enhancement. Audit and optimize your Google Merchant Center setup. Implement advanced schema markup. Enhance your internal linking architecture. Set up comprehensive analytics tracking. Days 31 to 60. Content and authority building. Launch your advanced content marketing strategy. Begin systematic competitor analysis. Implement geographic targeting strategies. Optimize your customer review systems. Days 61 to 90. Advanced optimization and scaling. Launch seasonal and trend optimization campaigns. Implement advanced technical SEO improvements. Begin international expansion planning, if applicable. Establish long-term sustainability systems. The ROI calculation that matters for e-commerce. Let's talk about how to calculate the real return on investment for your advanced e-commerce SEO efforts. The advanced ROI formula. Direct revenue. Revenue from customers who found you through organic search. Cost savings. Money saved by reducing or eliminating Google Ads and shopping campaigns. Customer lifetime value. Organic customers typically have higher lifetime value than paid advertising customers. Brand value. Increased brand recognition and trust in your market. Market share protection. The cost of what would happen if your competitors dominated search results instead of you. International expansion value. The ability to enter new markets without significant advertising costs. When you factor in all these elements, the ROI of successful advanced e-commerce SEO is typically 500 to 1,000% or higher over a 2 to 3 year period. The Agency Evaluation Framework for E-commerce. If you decide to work with an agency for advanced e-commerce SEO, here's how to evaluate them. Essential questions for e-commerce SEO agencies. Can you show me examples of e-commerce stores you've helped rank in Google shopping results? They should have specific experience with product optimization and merchant center. What's your approach to seasonal e-commerce SEO? They should understand the unique challenges of seasonal products and shopping patterns. How do you handle international e-commerce SEO? If you sell internationally, they should have experience with multi-region optimization. What tools do you use for e-commerce keyword research and competitor analysis? They should use professional-grade tools designed for e-commerce. Can you provide case studies of e-commerce businesses similar to mine? They should have relevant experience in your product category or industry. Red flags to avoid. Guarantees of specific rankings or sales numbers. Focus on vanity metrics rather than revenue and conversions. No experience with Google Merchant Center optimization. Unwillingness to explain their e-commerce specific strategies. No understanding of seasonal e-commerce challenges. The future of e-commerce SEO. As we wrap up this series, let's talk about where e-commerce SEO is heading and how to future-proof your strategy. Emerging trends in e-commerce. SEO, AI and machine learning. Integration. Google's algorithm is becoming increasingly sophisticated at understanding product intent and customer behavior. Focus on creating genuinely helpful content and optimizing for user experience. Voice search. Optimization. More customers are using voice search to find products. Optimize for conversational queries and question-based searches. Visual search growth. Google Lens and other visual search tools are becoming more popular. Invest in high-quality product photography and image optimization. Sustainability and ethics focus. Customers are increasingly concerned about sustainability and ethical business practices. Highlight these aspects in your SEO strategy. Personalization and customization. Search results are becoming more personalized. Focus on creating diverse content that appeals to different customer segments. Your next steps. The long-term vision. As we conclude the SEO Playbook, E-commerce Edition, I want you to think about SEO not just as a marketing tactic, but as a long-term business strategy. The e-commerce stores that dominate their markets 5 years from now will be the ones that started building their SEO authority today. They'll be the ones that thought in terms of years, not months. They'll be the ones that built real relationships, created real value, and earned their visibility instead of renting it. Your competitors are making a choice every day. They're either building their long-term SEO authority, or they're not. The stores that choose to build will eventually dominate their product categories. The stores that don't will continue to struggle with expensive advertising and inconsistent sales. Which store do you want to be? The final word. Over the past 7 episodes, we've covered everything from the Google Ads money pit to advanced e-commerce SEO strategies. We've talked about product optimization, conversion optimization, off-page authority, and long-term success strategies. But here's the most important thing I want you to remember. E-commerce SEO success isn't about gaming the system or finding shortcuts. It's about building an online store that genuinely serves its customers better than the competition. When you create valuable products, optimize them properly, build real relationships, and consistently help your customers solve their problems, SEO success becomes a natural byproduct of running a great e-commerce business. Google's algorithm is constantly evolving, but its core mission remains the same: to show users the most helpful, trustworthy, and relevant products for their searches. When you align your SEO efforts with that mission, you're not just optimizing for today's algorithm, you're future-proofing your business for whatever changes come next. Your e-commerce SEO journey starts now. This is the end of the SEO playbook, e-commerce edition, but it's just the beginning of your e-commerce SEO journey. You now have the knowledge and strategies you need to build a sustainable, profitable online presence that works for your business 24/7. The question isn't whether e-commerce SEO works. We've proven that it does. The question is whether you're going to implement what you've learned or continue struggling with expensive advertising and inconsistent results. Your competitors are making their choice every day. Some are building their e-commerce SEO authority, and some are ignoring it. The stores that start today will have a massive advantage over the ones that wait until next year. If you're ready to stop renting your visibility and start owning it, if you're ready to build something that gets stronger over time instead of more expensive, if you're ready to dominate your product categories instead of just competing in them, then your e-commerce SEO journey starts now. I'm Antonio, and it's been my pleasure guiding you through the SEO Playbook, e-commerce edition. Here's to your success, your growth, and your journey from invisible to irresistible in e-commerce search. Now go build something amazing. Thank you for following the SEO Playbook, e-commerce edition. These 7 episodes provide a comprehensive roadmap for building sustainable e-commerce SEO success that transforms your online store from dependent on expensive advertising to dominating organic search results and Google Shopping. Remember, e-commerce SEO is not a destination, it's a journey. The stores that succeed are the ones that commit to the long-term process of building authority, trust, and genuine value for their customers. Your success story starts with the first product optimization. Take it today. When you're ready for some advanced professional SEO work done, contact SEOHELPNOWDOTCOM.